everyone, my name is Allison Lamanti, and I'd like to welcome you to my first book critique. In this video, we will cover 5 different books. All these books are classified under the picture book category. The first book we have is Click Clack Moo, Cows That Type. The author of this book is Doreen Corrin, illustrated by Betsy Lewin. It was awarded the Caldecott Medal. This book's reading levels is for kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade. The second book we have is Creepy Carrots. Author Erin Reynolds, illustrated by Peter Brown. It was also received the Caldecott Medal. The reading levels for this book is lower grades, kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. The third book is Joseph Had a Little Overcoat. Author and illustrated by Simmons Tabak. It was awarded the Caldecott Medal. Reading levels, kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade. The fourth book is The Three Pigs. Author and illustrated by David Weisner. Awarded the Caldecott Medal. And it is also for the lower reading levels, kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. The fifth book we have is Once a Mouse. Author and illustrated by Marisa Brown. It was received the Caldecott Medal, and the reading levels for this book is kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade. In this video, we will have one featured text. This text will have 2 lessons paired with it. The featured text for this video is Click Clack Moo, Cows That Type. Click Clack Moo is about farm animals that found an old typewriter in the barn. They decided to write their complaints down to the farmer and post them outside of the barn. The farmer saw their letters, but did not comply with their demands. So the animals decided to write another letter, saying that they were closed. No milk, no eggs. This made the farmer very angry, so he decided to write his own letters to the animals. The ducks in the situation were neutral partners. They did not agree with the animals or the farmer, so they carried the letters back and forth. The farm animals got the farmer's letter and decided to make an agreement with him. They would turn in the typewriter for the demands that they wanted. So they left the typewriter outside of the barn for the duck to carry to the farmer. But the duck had his own plans in mind. He decided to write his own letter to the farmer, telling him that the pond was very boring and all the ducks would like a diving board. The first lesson we have is a 3rd grade science lesson. This lesson is paired with Ohio Learning Standard for Life Science, topic Behavior Growth and Changes. This topic explores life cycles of organisms. Students will learn about the life cycles of a chicken. They will learn a variety of information ranging from what is a hen, what is a rooster, how long does it take an egg to hatch, the temperature of an incubator and the temperature of their cage after they hatch, how humidity is important in hatching, and what percentage it needs to be, chicken body parts, parts of an egg. Students will create a thing link independently or with pairs following the guidelines below and will share their creation with the class. The students must have 1 video embedded, have at least 4 dots with embedded videos and pictures or text, cover at least 5 educational facts that were covered in the class. Here's a link to a thing link that I created to show the students. Here you can see the thing link that I created, Chickens' Life Cycles. Egg stage. Chickens lay eggs every day. Once the chicken lays an egg, the mother hen must sit on the egg to keep it warm or take the egg to an incubator. Eggs stay in an incubator for 21 days. You need to keep the temperature between 99 to 102 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to keep the humidity around 60%, and then you will up it on the 18th day to 90%. Humidity helps the eggs come off the chicken's skin after they hatch. Here I embedded a video of a peep hatching from an egg inside of an incubator. Chick stage. After the chicken is fully fluffed, you can remove them from the incubator and put them in a container. You want to make sure the container has food, water, and a heat lamp. Baby chickens have to stay under a heat lamp for the first few weeks. During the first week, you want to keep the temperature around 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Adult chicken stage. Here is image of a rooster and a hen. The second lesson is a second grade writing lesson. This is paired with the writing lesson W2-1. It talks about writing for an opinion piece. Students will do an adventure in writing for this lesson. They will pick their favorite barnyard character and write a letter to the farmer like the animal did in the book. When everybody's letter is finished, we will share them with the class. Students will create their writing letter to the following guidelines. Proper address at the beginning, end of a letter, have at least 4 sentences with proper format, and tell what the problem is and how they would like it fixed. I'd like to thank everyone for watching this video, and all the information you see on this video was retrieved from the Ohio Department of Education, scholastics.com, or acceleratedreader.com.